Okay, I'm gonna give this a try now. I'm putting this in the shower because then we can fill the water easily and also get rid of the water easily. So I've got a pair of long pants here, so I'm gonna put it in. Then I'm gonna put just a pair of socks. I think that's probably it. And I'm gonna add the water now. And you have to add it to the maximum of that H. See if I can do it like that. I'm giving it sort of warm water. Okay, almost the maximum. Okay, so, well, it's actually maximum water. The clothes just floating up. Okay, so I'm going to add some detergent now. Okay, adding some detergent in. So we should do it. Then put the lid on top. So we're ready to start. Sure the power is connected. So I didn't connect the power when we add the water in, just in case. Then it's got that 3 more, so it's on a 5-minute cycle. How do I change it to 15? Okay, so just like that. See it's moving. Okay, it's turning just like a washing machine. Okay, so I'll let it run for 15 minutes and see how the water turn out. And hopefully those washing powder would have been dissolved completely. Okay, 15 minutes is done, so this has been washed. So now it looks like some of the stuff has come out. So it seems to have been washed. So we're supposed to drain this now and then we can actually rinse it. So I think the easy way is just tip the water out, but you can, as actually a tube that you can release the water. So let's just unplug the power first, which is from here. And then there's actually, you can do this. Yes, and the water just came out. Oh, that's pretty good. So you can drain this out, so the water will come out. So we can wait for that to happen, and then after that we could just I guess squeeze all the water out and then do a rinse cycle.